here, and this is with my team here. Let me introduce to Jessica, and then Sylvia, and then Deby and Christopher. And we would like to show you a walkthrough for our human interaction subject. And we are going to introduce a walkthrough about human resource management system. When our system is called as an Orange HRM. Thank you.
Okay, let's just begin. So this is the login form for Orange HRM, and as you can see here, there are two text boxes. The first one is for username and the second one is for password. So let's just start with typing the username and password, which is admin and admin. And then we click the login button to log on to the Orange HRM. Alright, so this is the main menu for Orange HRM, and they call it the dashboard. And here we can see the data inside the HRM. As you can see, there are pie charts, graphs, and also we can see the items that have been uploaded into the HRM. Like here, we have the list of pending leave requests, and then pending timesheets, and also scheduled interviews. So it makes it easier to know what files have been uploaded into Orange HRM recently.
So in here there is admin panel. Now you can see in here there's the username and user role of the admin, and there's also the employee name. And if you want to add new admin, you can just click the add and decide what is the user role, the employee name, username, and etc. And then you just save it. Okay, we're back to here. As you can see, there's a job panel. You can see the job titles, pay grades, job categories, and others. In here, we will see the job titles. You can see the job title CEO and the job description, and hire admin, manager, controller, and there's many others. And in the organization panel, there's general information, location structure, disqualification, what is our skills, the nationalities, and you can see there's example, and admin panel also have many others. And this for we can see employee list in here. We click on it. Now you can see the employee list. And if you want to add, just click on the add button. And after you have filled all of the requirements, you can click the save. Okay, we're back to employee list. Now you can see in here there's the first name, last name, the job title, employment status, subunit, location, and who is the supervisor. And to look more details, you can just click on the name. You can see here the personal details of our employee, and we can also edit by clicking on the edit button. And after you have edited it, you can click on the save button once more. So other than personal details, you can see the contact details in here, and many other information that you can see from this.
So this is the panel leave. It means that you want to leave your office for a while, like sick, or you have something occupations to do. This is the employee name, and then the leave type, like annual leave for the holiday. This is the leave balance, I mean for how many days that you live. This is the status. If you rejected or you're taken or it's still pending, and this is the comment that the other can add like this. If you leave for sick reason, you can get comments like get well so soon, and then select action, you can cancel it or not. If you click the employee name or the date, you can see the description or the list that he left for what, and then we back. This is like for request for leave. And then we go to time, panel time. There is time sheet. You can see there that if you click view in here, you will know the time that she worked in the office for the week, for the total time that she worked in the office. And then for the day 2, if you approve, you can choose approve or you can choose reject. And then in the time panel, we back to the time panel. You see the timesheet period, and then we go to sub-panel attendance. We go to employee records.
So now we're moving on to the recruitment page, where we actually can see the recruitment status for all, let's say, candidates here. We can see that the candidates that apply for our company or our business here can be seen, and we can see the status, and then we can see their resume, their CV, and we can see all their information most likely, and we can setting for each individually. Okay, so first of all, if we choose one candidate here, we can see their details, and we can see that their status, what is going to be their status, that or any of the interview that can be selected. Okay, so we save the information. We can add additional notes, or we can save it again, and we can see all the information. After the success, we can back again to the recruitment page. Okay, and then we can see all of the information of the current candidates, but this time we can also setting it from the main page of the candidate itself. Basically, we can choose either it's failed, either it's passed, or either it will be interviewed and scheduled. One thing that you should notice that we can also sort the candidates. Okay, so now we move on to the performance, where we can see that there's tab like key performance index there, and if you choose key performance index, we can see that all of the performance index for our existing employee here, and we can choose the job title or their job position there, and that's it.
Okay, now we are going to the next panel about training, and there is the sub panel. The first is about package. It shows what kind of training that we have done or scheduled, and then we can click and we can see the description about the training that we have held, and we also can see the students or the people who attend the training. We can add the employee, and also we can give their status about the training, whether they fail or pass, and then we can save. And the next page is about the more page is the miscellaneous page that has the first is the directory, and we can see the list of employee that registered in the company. Here we can see there are some, and then the organization chart view. Let's wait for a while for the internet connection, and yeah, and then it display the organization structure, the hierarchical structure of the employee, like who is the CEO, the finance manager, and the other. And it also have the dashboard, where the first page when we log in, that where is the first page that is show when we log in, and after we can log out, and that's it about the Orange HRM.
So thank you everybody for watching our video. Hope this video is useful and to help you understand more about how to use HRM management system. So especially that we introduced in this video about the Orange HRM. So we hope that this video is useful, and then thank you for watching and have a good day.